Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Calendly versus Google Calendar. Which one should you use? Both of these platforms are indispensable for managing your schedule, but they serve different purposes and excel in different areas. So we'll be talking about their features, pricing, pros and cons, and at the end you'll know which is best for you. And starting with the features. Google Calendar is a core component of Google Workspace, offering a comprehensive personal and team calendaring solution. While primarily a calendar, it includes an appointment schedule feature that allows others to book time with you. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services like Gmail, Google Meet, and Google Tasks. Key features include setting availability, adding buffer times, and limiting events. Calendly is a widely recognized and user-friendly scheduling platform. It offers various event types including one-on-one, round-robin, and collective meetings. Calendly excels in its automation capabilities with workflows for sending reminders and follow-ups. It also provides advanced features like meeting polls to find the best time for a group and robust analytics to track scheduling performance. And now to the pricing. Calendly has a free plan, which is great for personal use with free features such as one event type, connect one calendar, customize your booking page, and more. The standard plan comes at $12 per user per month, and it includes unlimited event types, connect with multiple calendars, and integrate with payment platforms like Stripe and PayPal. You also have the team plan, and this comes at $20 per user per month. This plan is ideal for collaborative scheduling. It offers round-robin meetings, advanced administrative features, and CRM integrations like HubSpot and Salesforce. The enterprise plan starts at $15,000 per year. And this plan is designed for large companies. It offers features like SSO and SAML, domain control, audit logs, and a dedicated customer success manager. If you're a professional or a small team seeking a user-friendly, out-of-the-box solution with robust features and strong integrations, the standard plan for Calendly is a fantastic choice to streamline your scheduling process. And now for Google Calendar. If you have a personal Google account, the basic Google Calendar is free for personal use and includes basic scheduling capabilities. But if you want a more robust and integrated feel, the Google Workspace Business Starter is a plan that starts at about $7 per user per month. It provides core Google Calendar features, including appointment schedule. You also have the Google Workspace Business Standard, priced at $14 per user per month. This plan offers more flexibility, including the possibility of adding multiple appointment schedules. There are other options in the Google Workspace, so you'll need to check this out. And now to the pros and cons. Calendly on the bright side. It is highly intuitive, has a user-friendly interface, strong brand recognition, robust automation features with workflows, and advanced team scheduling capabilities like meeting polls. On the downside with the cons, the free plan is quite limited with only one event type, and advanced features can become more expensive for larger teams. Google Calendar on the bright side has deep integration with the Google ecosystem, making it convenient for existing Google users. Its basic scheduling features are included with the Google Workspace plans, offering good value. And it has a highly intuitive interface for managing your personal calendar and events. On the downside with the cons, it lacks advanced scheduling automation and team-specific features like round-robin scheduling. The free personal version has limited appointment scheduling capabilities, and the business starter plan may limit users to a single appointment schedule. In conclusion, the choice between Calendly and Google Calendar largely depends on your specific needs. If you require a dedicated, feature-rich scheduling platform with advanced automation, team management, and extensive integrations, Calendly is a superior choice. Its specialized features are designed to optimize booking workflows for businesses and professionals. However, if you're an individual or small business already embedded into the Google ecosystem, your primary need is a straightforward, cost-effective way to manage appointments and share availability. Google Calendar's appointment schedule feature offers a convenient solution, especially with a Google Workspace plan. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.